Hi guys, my name is Dina and welcome to my channel, The Nail Hobbyist. Today, I will be doing a DIY gel nail extension using a nail form. I will be testing Young Nail Synergy Gel and building a nail with gel with a nail form. So keep on watching. So even if I have very good form, by the way, this hand is another project. So if I have like a very good, how can I say this? If I have a very good nail form, I'm still going to use this part. There. And I took off my glove. Reason being, if I don't, it's not gonna be, it's gonna be very hard for me to do it. So here we go. This is my first attempt ever. So you remove it. I put there. And what I like about this, even if I make a mistake, I won't be able to glue everything too tight, you know, or together shut. So when it comes to nail forms, what you want to do is that you always want to go under. Okay, so you always want to go under the nail. Then you're going to want to align it in your mind. You're going to find the center of your nail, and the center of this line you're going to put under your nail. So in my mind, I made my center. The most important thing is to have zero gap between your nail and the nail form, and then you pinch, because you want to grab the side of your fingers, see? So I'm going to put it again. I'm going in. My second attempt. We might have to do this quite a bit. Okay, I've got big wings on this one. Usually I cut out the wings of the butterflies. Okay, am I still in the middle? Yes. Yeah, but you're stuck, you silly goose. So, there. Okay, am I in the middle? Am I? Yes. So, now I'm going to have to perfect it because I'm not a pro. So I'm just perfecting it, getting it ready for application. The base, we're going to be needing that. I'm also going to be needing, let me see where it is, because I sometimes, oh, it's right here. Okay, so then we're going to be needing, first, the first thing we're going to be needing is this. And before all this, I'm going to use my prep. You should have like a little picture somewhere here. Might be the wrong corner, but hey, I tried. I tried, Sylvia, try. Okay, so now I'm gonna simply put some prep. You should be seeing a fancy little picture right now. My friend Sylvie watched my video, oops, sorry, and she said that, you know, I should at least show you guys what products I'm using, because she had no clue what the heck I was doing with those products, just slopping one and the other. And she was so right, and she gives me so much good constructive criticism. Excuse my accent on that one. Now I've got my, when I say prep, I mean the dehydrator, sorry. So now I'm going to take the protein bond, and sorry if I can't, oh, maybe like that. No, you guys will never see. Okay, I can't like that. Okay, I'll pause this and I'll be right back with a better way. Okay, so I found a better way. I put myself like on a little armrest, and now I'm just putting my protein bond, as mentioned before, taking off my base. I'm gonna basically, this is the product that will make everything adhere. So putting a little bit of base. So there you go. Okay, so this is the part where I put a little bit of base, cure that for 30 seconds. Now my base has cured for 30 seconds. So now I'm going to be building a nail. And to build a nail, I'm going to be using the build. So here we go. Oops. Sorry guys, it's so long. So I'm just gonna go for it. And then I'm gonna show you guys how you should prop up. Usually you go underneath and you go like this. See that? Oh my God. Oh, I can't believe it's me that did that. Oh, I can't believe the beautiful nail I just did, guys. I'm so impressed. If I'd be alone, I'd be like, oh. See, I gotta film times like these when I achieve what I want. Anyways, we're far from it's just that the nail didn't come off the paper, and I have a nice C-curve and a nice arch. Look at that. And it's see-through and it's clear, and I think I'm gonna say this. Oh my God. I think there's a big quality difference. And see, the nail is obviously too long. So I'm gonna work on that. It's not droopy, it's just awesome. So now is the time where I'm gonna take it down. I'm gonna take it down a bit. So guys, I'm back. And thank you very much. I'm just gonna set my light here. Sorry for that. I'm gonna have to dust my phone. Oh la la. Okay. So now is my nail. Here is my nail. So here is my nail. And I need some more shaping on this side of it. Try to get rid of that lump right there. There, I think I'm okay. So I'm getting there, guys. I'm getting there. So this is it, ladies and gentlemen. This is my final product. This is my gel nail extension using a nail form. So I want to thank you guys for watching. And so this is it. This is my nail, built from scratch with a nail form. I present it to you. Now I'll decorate it a bit. But this was my DIY gel nail with a nail form. Bye-bye. Tolu.